Welcome to this dojo. My name is Q Harper, and this is a intermediate upper body popping tutorial. We're gonna be hitting core, the arms, the chest. If you've already done the first one, which is a arm popping drill, then we should be good to go because that's gonna be needed for this particular drill, okay? So today we're gonna be focusing on mostly our core. Now we're gonna be using the whole upper body. The core is gonna be our foundation of our upper body pops. First thing we need to do is we need to activate. All right, so this is one little thing I like to do to kind of help people activate their core a little bit. Some people are like, oh, I don't have core muscles. I don't know how to. I'm gonna show you do, because if you didn't, you'd just be like this all the time. Okay, so real quick, we're gonna take 2 fingers and I'm just want you to push it into your stomach. Okay, now I want you to force those fingers out using just your core. So yep, push and push. It is that push that we are gonna use to make that core pop. The same thing we use with our arm pops, that quick flex and release. We're gonna do the same thing with our core muscles. Now, it's a little bit harder because you have to breathe at the same time. We're going to breathe out very quickly. You're gonna breathe in and you're gonna breathe out very fast. And even that quick breath will automatically engage your core, all right, which will start your pop off. It's a very small pop. Just do it right now. Just 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. That quick breath automatically gives you a tiny little pop. We're gonna take that same thing, we're gonna amplify it, okay? Try with me, here we go. We're gonna hit it on 4 and 8. So if I'm counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It gives you enough time to breathe in between your pop, kind of get that inhale in, and then explode on 4 and 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, obviously I can't say the count while I'm breathing. My multitasking skills aren't that great, but you can keep counting. Do again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. So that's the breathing part. Now let's just amplify that squeeze and release. Okay, remember, we're squeezing really quickly and we're releasing just as quick. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we've got the breathing, we've got the squeezing and releasing. Now we're gonna focus mostly on the pop itself. So less breath, okay, because that actually exerts more energy than you need. You need that energy here, all right? So we're gonna focus on that squeeze and release. You're still gonna breathe. Don't forget to do that, because then you're just gonna get winded and tired, all right? So we're gonna squeeze and just try to focus on the quick squeeze and the quick release. Here we go. Counting it. We're still gonna hit it on 4 and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, you notice my body is jolting. I'm not even putting myself in a popping position. I'm just trying to stand here to get real comfortable with just that popping, that squeeze and release in the breath, okay? You're not moving, but you're doing 3 things at once, okay? So it's some real multitasking and timing. It's one of those moves that it's so easy to do too early. I do it all the time, all right? Because you don't have to move to a place to catch the beat. You're already there. So this is one of those movements that require so much patience. It really forces me to wait on my music. I'm pretty sure I may have popped early during my counts. Okay, so you really gotta like sit in it and wait. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try the same thing, but with music. Okay, so with our beat on, we're gonna go ahead and try to hit our pops. We're not even gonna go into form. We are just gonna try to hit it, sitting still, feeling that pop. And we're gonna go on every second count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those will be our hit time. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. We are about to go ahead and combine our first popping tutorial and our now popping tutorial. Full upper body using our arms and our core, okay? We're gonna be using the same boom, boom formation that we did with our arms, but we're gonna just be adding that extra core pop, making it a much bigger explosion altogether, okay? We're gonna do this with music because doing the pops and counting at the same time is way difficult. We're gonna go ahead, turn on some music. This would be a slow rhythm pop. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. All right, guys, so that is our basic form pops, but now we need to expand a little bit. We need to actually dance. So we're gonna be coming up with our arms. We're not gonna stick here, okay? We're gonna break that form, that foundation. You already got it. You can pop here, you can pop here, but now let's discuss some free form arms. Moving around in your space. Our forms don't need to be the most awesome, creative forms. You're going to feel weird doing these. Some of the ones I do may not look that great. It might not. But the idea is practicing moving in my space and getting comfortable with just trying stuff, okay? As of now, you have two. You have this position and this position. You could break that down into doing, you could use that same position and just kind of mold it a little different, or you can do completely new stuff. I just want to say be brave, try something, get comfortable with feeling weird. You'll find positions that feel good and look good, and you'll find some that aren't so great, and you just stay away from them, okay? For now, here we go. We're gonna try these free form arms. Same tempo, to music. Let's get forming. All right, here we go. We're gonna roll with the 8 counts. It'll be a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, all the even numbers are what we're popping. Same as usual. 5, 6, free form. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4, 6, 8. Wow. You're set. Do it again. All right, this time I'm not really gonna count. I kind of counted last time, but that gets distracting for me. It's a lot going on. Here we go. I'm counting you in. No counts. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Word up. Good job, guys. Good job. You might be feeling hot, a little sweaty, which means you did it right. Yeah. So we're gonna do what's called around the world, where we're gonna be leaning and pushing our body into points 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back up to the front, okay? And all you're gonna do is you're going to step, you're leaning into your position, popping, coming back to center, popping, Leaning out to your side, popping, coming back to center, popping. All right, here we go. We're going around the world. 4 points. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, reset. Breathe. It doesn't look like a lot, but I'm sure as you're doing it, you can tell it is taxing on your body. You are flexing, you're moving, you're breathing. It's a lot. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. All right, so quick reminder, remember, the more you stretch out your body, the cooler it may look, but you're also going to limit your pop. The more you stretch the muscle, the less you can really squeeze it, which will make your pop a little bit smaller, okay? One more time, same thing. I'm gonna count you in, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it's gonna be up to you to stick with your tempo. Stick with me, dance to your music. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. At this point, we're going to be using our core and our arm pops. We're going to combine them both. All right. So you're getting a much more explosive pop using more muscle groups. Okay. Same thing around the world, hitting our points. We're going to be squeezing our arms as well. All right. Here we go. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. Legit. If you have the opportunity to do these in front of a mirror or record yourself so you can see what those forms look like, because they can feel good, and they may not actually look good, or they might not feel good, but then look awesome. All right? You won't know until you see them. Also, your pops in general, you're gonna have a hard time seeing them just doing this in front of a mirror, honestly. Because the moment you pop, it shakes everything. My head shakes. So for a millisecond, I'm blurry. I can't see myself. So I don't even know if I'm doing it fully right until I record myself and watch it back.
Well, you've just done a full upper body popping drill. Please make sure you practice. You're only gonna get better. And it's gonna be dope. You're already dope now, but we're gonna be doper once we get that practice time in. We would love for you to record yourself, post a video of you training, and tag us at Dangerous Dojo. Peace out, God bless.